Not every income stream requires nonstop hustle. Some just need a smart setup and a bit of consistency. This video breaks down 17 online income strategies that quietly earn in the background without demanding your full-time energy. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. About the online money boom. The creator economy and digital side hustles are exploding. Goldman Sachs research found that 50 million people now work as creators, with the space projected to grow from $250 billion this year to $480 billion by 2027. That means more money flowing into the online economy and more ways for regular people to cash in. Important note about passive income. Passive income isn't truly passive in the beginning. Every method on this list requires time, effort, or money to set up. Whether it's creating content, managing property, or investing wisely, you'll need to do something first before the income becomes more hands-off. This list is about building future income streams, not magic shortcuts. Become an online mock juror. Simple cash for sharing your opinion. Lawyers use mock juries to test how arguments will land. You can earn $20 to $60 per case by participating online through platforms like eJury or Online Verdict. It's one of the laziest ways to make money online. Listen, evaluate, and share your thoughts. Create and sell niche online courses. Lazy way to monetize your knowledge. If you know something valuable, turn it into an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy let you reach a global audience. Once built, a course can earn passive income for years. Per Forbes, the global e-learning market is projected to reach $465 billion by 2028. Typical income ranges from $500 to $10,000 per month. Sell digital planners and printables. Low-effort income idea. Selling digital planners on platforms like Etsy is a proven way to generate repeat income. Budget sheets, habit trackers, and meal planners are top sellers. Once listed, each design can sell hundreds of times. Typical earnings range from $100 to $2,000 per month, depending on volume and quality. Create AI-generated art. Turn digital files into passive income. AI-generated art is fueling a massive digital design market. Creators use tools like Midjourney and DALL-E to make unique prints and sell them online. Markets projects the global AI in media market will grow from $8.21 billion in 2024 to $51.08 billion by 2030. Income potential ranges from $100 to $3,000 per month. Voiceover work. Make money talking online. Businesses of all sizes need voiceovers for social videos, ads, and internal content. You can record these projects with basic home equipment. Rates typically run from $20 to $200 per project. Once you build client relationships, this becomes an easy, flexible side income. Sell stock photos and video clips. Earn passive money from your camera roll. Selling stock content is a classic lazy income stream. Shutterstock has already paid out over $1 billion to contributors as of 2024. Upload your photos or video clips once, then collect royalties for years. Income usually ranges from $100 to $3,000 per month based on portfolio size. Create and license music loops. Low-effort income. Idea with sound. If you can create original music loops or sound effects, you can license them on platforms like Audio Jungle and Pond 5. It's a set-it-and-forget-it system. Upload your files and earn royalties with every download. Income varies, but many earn $50 to $500 per month once they build a catalog. Automate a dropshipping store. Run an e-commerce business. Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. You set up an online store and forward orders to suppliers who handle the rest. Many beginners start on Shopify or WooCommerce. Earnings usually range from $200 to $5,000 per month, though success depends on smart product choices and marketing. Run a print-on-demand side hustle. Sell custom products without inventory. Print-on-demand is a true lazy income model. You upload designs for shirts, mugs, posters, and more. When someone buys, the supplier handles production and shipping. The global print-on-demand market was valued at $6.18 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow at a 25.8% CAGR through 2030. Income potential ranges from $100 to $5,000 per month. Offer subtitling services, get paid watching videos. Streaming platforms need subtitles in multiple languages. If you're bilingual or detail-oriented, subtitling can pay $30 to $50 per hour. Platforms like Rev and Amara connect freelancers with subtitle projects. The work is flexible. Do it on your schedule, from home. Sell custom music playlists. Easy way to monetize music taste. Businesses use curated playlists to shape their brand experience. You can create and license playlists for cafes, spas, and stores. Charge $100 to $500 per playlist package with options for monthly updates. This niche is ideal if you love music and have a knack for setting the right vibe. Automate affiliate marketing on niche sites. Passive way to earn on autopilot. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable passive income models. You create content around niche topics and include affiliate links that pay commissions on sales. The annual growth rate of affiliate market revenue is recorded to be 10%, which means the opportunity is still expanding. Income ranges from $100 to $10,000 per month, with results growing over time as your content ranks. Participate in paid website or app testing. Low-effort income idea online. Companies pay real money for feedback on websites and apps. As a tester, you visit a site, complete simple tasks, and record your thoughts. Tests usually pay $10 to $100 depending on scope. Sites like User Testing and Userlytics make it easy to get started. License public domain content. Easy way to profit from history. Public domain content, old books, maps, art, and more, can be repackaged and sold as digital downloads. Smart sellers scan, clean up, and market this content on Etsy or as NFTs. Income potential is wide, but many earn $50 to $1,000 per month with a good catalog. License your voice for AI training. Easy way to monetize your voice. AI companies pay for voice samples to train virtual assistants and speech models. You read simple scripts and license your voice for approved use. Rates typically range from $100 to $1,000 per project. Once recorded, it's fully passive income, no ongoing work required. Sell curated email. Newsletters. Lazy way to turn interest into income. Curated newsletters are a growing business. You compile the best content on a niche topic and build an email audience. Monetization comes through ads, sponsorships, or paid subscriptions. Many creators earn $500 to $5,000 per month once they reach a targeted subscriber base. Use cashback and rewards apps. Low-effort income idea. Cashback apps pay you for buying things you'd purchase anyway. Popular options include Rakuten and Ibotta. Most users earn $50 to $300 per year with zero extra effort. Link your cards once, shop normally, and watch the rewards add up in the background. Make money online the lazy way. Smart money stacks while you sleep. These income streams don't demand constant hustle. They just need a little setup and consistency. Pick one or two that fit your skills, start small, and let the results build over time. Lazy money isn't about doing nothing. It's about making your time work harder than you do. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.